Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic about percentage, Sadavidam. The definition of percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100 called percentage. The numerator of the fraction is called the rate of percent. Here we have to assume the fraction value 90 divided by 100. What they said is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Like this is called percentage. The numerator of the fraction is called rate of percent. Here 90 is the numerator and 100 is denominator. The numerator value 90 is called a rate of percent. The percentage is denoted by the symbol is percentage symbol. சதவிகிதம் அப்படினாக்கா ஒரு எண்ணை வந்து பின்ன வடிவத்துல எழுதும்போது அதோடைய விகுதி வந்து 100 ஆல இருக்கும்போது அத வந்து சதவிகிதம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். அது எதுக்குனாக்கா நியூமரேட்டர்ல இருக்கிற நம்பரை வந்து 100 கூட கம்பேர் பண்ணி சோ ஒரு 100க்கு இது எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, ஒரு முழு அளவுக்கு இருக்கிற வேல்யூ வந்து எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு தான் வந்து சதவிகிதம் அப்படினு சொல்றோம். We have some converting methods in percentage. Let we have to see one by one. First, convert the percentage as a fraction. For example, the given value is 20%. The given is in percentage format. We have to convert as fraction. So, we have to convert like 20 from percentage into fraction. We have to divide by 100. In second example, second method is convert a fraction value as a percentage. The given example is 1 by 4. In this method, we have to multiply with 100 to get the value in percentage. In first method, convert a percentage as a fraction. The given is 20%, so we have to divide it by 100. So 0 and 0 get cancelled, 2 1 times and 5 times. So the fraction value is 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.2. From the second method, convert the fraction value 1 by 4, which in this method we have to multiply by 100, multiply with 100. We can simplify 1 4s are 4 and 25 4s are 100. We have to write as 25%. The 20% is write 0.2 as a fraction. In second method, the fraction of 1 by 4 is write as 25%. The next type is to increase a number by a given percentage and to decrease a number by a given percentage. From the example, we are going to increase the value of 20 by 15%. So we have to find the increased value after the 15% added to the 20 value. So the formula is 100 plus rate of percentage divided by 100. So we have to write the value of 20 which increased by 15%. So multiply with 100 plus 15 divided by 100. We have to write like 100 plus 15 115 divided by 100. So we can simplify 20 into 1.15. The value is to be 23. When the number of 20 which increased by 15%, the value which gets 23. Otherwise, we have to find another method. Here the given number is 20. They are saying to increase a 15% extra from the 20. So we have to consider 20 as a 100%. Extra we have to add 15% is 115%. So the 115 percentage, which in fraction value is 1.15 value, which gets the answer. So we have to multiply with 20 increased by 1.15. Also we get the value of 23, which is the simplest step to find the value. From the next method, to decrease a number by a given percentage. Here the given number is 30 and the percentage 20 percentage. Here the formula is 100 minus rate divided by 100, because the number is decreased. So the value which gets decreased from the given value, we have to minus the rate of percentage. Also, like we have to write 30 multiply with 100 minus rate of percentage. 20 percentage can be decreased and denominator as 100. 30 into 100 minus 20, 80 divided by 100, have to get cancel 0, 0. So the value is 24, or otherwise the given value is 30. Here the value is getting to be decreased. Assume that 30 is equal to 100 percentage. So they are going to decrease at 20 percentage. So the value will be 80 percentage. So we have to multiply with 80 percentage is like 0.8 as a fraction. So we have to multiply with 0.8 multiply with 30. The value is to be 24. This is the easy way to find the value. The next method is percentage increase of a number. When a number value which get increased, we have to find the how many percentage the number which gets increased. The formula to find the percentage of increase is total increase value divided by initial value into 100. The total increase value is nothing but the final value of the number minus the initial value of the number. The difference between the initial value and the final value is called the total increase value, divided by the initial value of the number and multiply with 100 to find the percentage. We can go with an example. The population of a village in 1980 is equal to 3000 and 1990 is 3200. We have to find the percentage of increasing. Here in 1980 the total number of persons in village is 3000. In 1990, 3200. From compared to this value, in 1990, the number of peoples are increased. So we have to find the percentage. How many percentage of the people numbers can be increased? So we have to calculate into that formula. Percentage of increase is equal to total increase. That means final value minus initial value. The difference between the higher value and the lower value is 3200 minus 3000 divided by initial value. Starting it was 3000 into 100 for percentage. 3200 minus 3000 to 200 divided by 3000 into 100. So 20 get cancelled, 00, 6 3s are 18 into 666 something continuous. So the percentage of increasing the population value is 6.667 percentage. The 1990 which compare with the 1980, the percentage of increasing of the number of people is 6.67 percentage, which increased from the 3000 number of peoples. The next method is to find the percentage of decrease of a number. The formula of percentage of decrease is the total decrease divided by the initial value into 100. The total decrease value is nothing but the difference between the initial value and the final value divided by initial value multiply with 100 to convert into percentage format. From the example, we have to explain the cost of a bike in last year is 19,000 and this year is 17,000. Find the percentage of decrease. From compare with that last year, the rate of the bike is getting decreased. So we have to find the decreasing percentage. From that formula, percentage of decrease is the total decrease value. It's nothing but the initial value is 19,000 minus the final value, current year 17,000, divided by the initial value 19,000 is equal to 2,000 divided by 19,000 into 100. We have to simplify 200 divided by 19. 200 divided by 19, 10.5 percentage. So the percentage of decrease is 10.5 percentage. Now we have to see some example sums in percentage into fraction conversion. The first example is 56 percentage, which can be converted as, from percentage into fraction we have to divide it by 100. So we have to simplify the values. 14 divided by 25. From percentage of 56 percentage, it can be converted into fractional value 14 by 25. Then the 4 percentage which converted like divided by 100, the value is 1 by 25. Next, third example is 0.6. 0.6 which divided by 100, 6 by 6,000. Three by 500. 56 percentage is equal to 14 by 25. Second sum, 4 percentage, the value of fraction is 1 by 25. The third example, 0.6 percentage is converted 3 by 500 as a fractional value. The next type, convert the fraction value into percentage. In this conversion we have to multiply with 100. 23 divided by 36 which multiply with 100. We have to simplify. The simplified value is 63 8 by 9. So the fraction of 23 divided by 36 is equal to 63 8 by 9 percentage. The second is we have to convert into fraction. Six threes are 24 plus 3 whole divided by 4. We have to write 27 by 4. From this we have to convert into percentage. We have to multiply with 100. One fours are 4, 25 times of 4s in 100. The percentage is 675 percentage. So 6 3 by 4 is equal to 27 by 4. The value is 675 percentage. From the third example, 0.004, we have to convert into a natural number. So we have to multiply with 1000 and divide by 1000 because of 3 digits which apart from that dot. So we have to multiply with 1000 and divide by 1000. The value will not change, the format only change. So the value is 4 by 1000. Now in fractional format we have to find into the percentage, multiply with 100, simplify like that. .4%. So 0.004 is equal to 0.4%. From this type, we have to convert the percentage value into decimal value. Decimal value is nothing but a point value. From the first example, 6% given. So we have to convert like the conversion of percentage into decimal or fraction, we have to divide by 100. So we have to write like 6 divided by 100, which also simplify like 3 divided by 50. In decimal format, 0.06. The 6% is equal to 0.06. Here, convert this value into decimal. 28 divided by 100. We have to simplify like in denominator there is 100. 2 zeros are available, so we have to place the dot in 2 digit from right to left. Here 2 digit 8 and 2. So we have to write 0.28. %28 is equal to 0.28. From the third example, 0.2%, we have to write 0.2 divided by 100. So we have to place the dot into 2 digit from right to left. Already dot is here, so we have to write 0.00, 2 digits, and 0.2% is equal to 0.002. So far we have seen the topic about percentage and example sums. The class is useful to you. Please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.